Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Saurav's classes. Here we are going to solve CUET examination question paper. This is the sociology paper of 2022 and here is presenting to you all question number 1. This is question number 6 actually, and we are going to solve 5 questions in each video. So if you want to follow the solutions, then do follow the channel for that. Apart from that, if you are preparing for any kind of entrance examinations, for that you can take the expert guidance of our teachers. You can take the help of live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access, which is available to all the enrolled candidates 24/7. We are providing you with one-to-one sessions, online, offline sessions, doubt clearing classes, and also mock test facilities with study materials, which is also available on Amazon and Flipkart. If you want to take the study materials directly from us, to contact us through the details which is given in the description box below this video. And if you have any questions further, you can post down your questions in the comment box below. Coming to the very first question, it says Jatavas, list 1, Multani Lohars, Khasis, then Vokaligas. And on the other hand, list 2 says Muslim community, Meghalaya, Karnataka, and UP. So we are going to match them with Jatavas. We are going to consider. Okay, let's first connect Khasis with Meghalaya, Vokaligas with Karnataka. Then next we can consider, okay, from the options given below, we can just consider as C going with the second option, D going with the third option. So yes, we can go with this option, that is A is going with 4, that is Jatavas with Uttar Pradesh, and B1, that is Multani Lohars with the Muslim community. Okay, yeah, this would be the correct answer. Let's move over to the next question now. Now this question is also kind of like match list 1 with list 2. So we have the contributions in list 1, which says Brahmo Samaj, widow remarriage, then country's first school for girls was established, anti-caste movement. So based on this, who are the important personalities who made all these things possible were M.G. Ranade, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Jyotiba Phule, Savitribai Phule. So based on this, Brahmo Samaj was obviously done by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Widow remarriage was also an initiative by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Country's first school for girls was done by Jyotiba Phule. Anti-caste movement was actually also done by, country's first school for girls was done by Savitribai Phule, yes, and anti-caste movement was done by Jyotiba Phule. So M.G. Ranade is not directly going with anything in the first list, so let's not match it. Yeah, these are the correct matching. We have to match it accordingly. So yes, that's the correct answer. Let's move over to the next question. Our next question says the legal provisions against violence and humiliation to Dalits and Adivasis strengthened by which of the following? So we are going to go with constitutional amendment, that is the 93rd constitutional amendment which took place in 2006, and also we are going to go with Article 17 Constitution of India 1950. The legal provisions are included in these. Let's move over to the next question. Which of the following is not the characteristic of caste? Let's first go through the options given. Social and religious hierarchy, segmented division of society, unrestricted choice of occupation, restrictions on feeding and social intercourse. So out of all these, unrestricted choice of occupation is not a characteristic of caste. Moving over to the last question that we are going to discuss for today's class. The terms matrilineal and patrilineal are associated with what? Residence of family, line of descent, nature of marriage rules, structure of family. It goes with, of course, line of descent because that is going on since time back. So yes, this was the discussion for today's class. Thank you for being with me till the end of this class. If you want to learn with me or under the guidance of expert teachers for any kind of entrance exam preparation, if you want to have study materials or take live lectures or recorded lectures access you want to take, then you can enroll with us. All the descriptions are given below in the description box. And if you have further questions, do post down in the comment box. Let's meet again in the next class.